By studying ordinary people and trying to understand their struggles and triumphs, developmental psychologists can make valuable inferences about the larger population. At 34 years old, Ali Fuentes is typical of many young adults. She's focused on building and nurturing intimate relationships.
When I met Jason, I was a single mom, I was a student living on my own. I just wanted somebody who I just didn't have to commit with, you know? But I finally let him move in, and it was the worst time. I said, this is how I am. I'm flawed, I'm broken, I'm lazy, I'm unpredictable. But he stood around and he said, I have what you need. We complement each other because we're so opposite. You know, there was no other better person to give a chance than him. That's what you just checked out at the library today?
It's not unusual for young adults to be juggling the concerns of other life stages. Ali is the mother of 3 children, each with their own needs and desires.
I was pregnant when I was 20. Had I not had Isaiah, I don't think I would have accomplished everything that I have accomplished now. So I owe a lot to my first son. He's my little hero. I think he's finding himself, so I have to be understanding. He's becoming a little man, but his brain is still 12. He tells Christopher, that's not cool, that's funny, that's not. Christopher constantly has a movie in his mind, and he's so creative. He's the loudest, he's the neediest. You know, and he will tell you, you are not giving me enough attention, you know. There's not a dull moment with him. And then Allison, she's the sassy one. She tries to push back and say, this is what I'm gonna do. And so they're definitely different, all of them.
Ali not only meets the demands of her children and her partner, but also juggles work commitments and a busy study schedule.
I've been a full-time student since 2012, and I'm planning to complete my bachelor's in science. My goal is to actually find a permanent position within the next 4 to 6 years, preferably into a humanitarian field. It's definitely a lot more hectic compared to when I was 18. There's a lot of unpredictable events that happen that sometimes derail me from my goals.
Research has found that the struggles associated with early adulthood dissipate over time as stress and anger diminish. And lessons from the past can help us forge a new future.
I actually came from a pretty broken background. So the things that I lacked in my childhood actually pushed me to be stronger as an adult. I see myself living comfortably. I see myself getting my kids to college or trade school or the military. I see myself as an active grandmother. The world is your playground. But without you investing in yourself, you cannot take advantage of what the world has for you.